Previously on Desperate Housewives.
Why aren't you happy?
Turns out I wanted all the wrong things. Damn it.
Come on, whoa.
Come on, hurry.
Let's go.
Where's the rest of my clothes?
I'll find them. Just get out.
Where?
Out the window.
What? Go.
Hi, honey. You're home early.
My meeting got canceled. Did you take a shower this morning?
I just finished a workout.
Where's John?
John?
Yeah, that's his truck out front.
Gabrielle was panicked. She knew if her husband discovered her secret, she would feel the full force of his wrath.
Hey, Mr. Solis.
Hey, John, did you take care of that ficus yet?
I'll get to it as soon as I'm done here.
All right.
But she was quickly reminded
We need to talk about the hedges.
that
on
what
the other side of
Carlos
the
couldn't
house.
see
Yeah, sure. No problem.
couldn't hurt her.
What the hell's wrong with
Let
you?
go of me.
Hey, you've been acting like a nightmare for a month.
Stop.
What's wrong? I can't fix it unless you tell me.
It's not exciting anymore, Carlos.
So what am I supposed to do?
I don't know. Be the way you used to be. Surprise me, take my breath away.
Okay. Okay.
Well, this is my room. Sorry about the mess.
Oh, don't worry about it.
You just missed my mom. Friday, she coaches my little sister's soccer team.
Oh, yes. I heard that. John, we need to talk about what happened the other day.
Mr. Solis isn't starting to catch on, is he?
No, he doesn't have a clue, God love him. It's just, I was thinking that when you come over to garden, you might actually have to garden.
Great. You're breaking up with me. My own bedroom.
No. I'm not dumping you. Lately, you've been the only thing keeping me going. It's just we can't do it at my house anymore.
Oh. So then, where do you want to do it?
Well, what time, does your mom get back from soccer practice?
Mrs. Solis.
You better hurry. We don't have a lot of time.
This is great. Got tons of homework tonight. So it's easier to concentrate after sex.
Well, I'm glad I could help. Education is very important.
Oh, I got something for you. I was gonna give it to you next time I mowed your lawn, but since you're here...
Oh, it's a rose.
It's not just any rose. Look at all the petals. There's no flaws. It's perfect.
Oh, John.
Just like you.
The truth hit her like a thunderbolt.
I spent days looking for just the right one. Finally found it.
For John, this was no longer a meaningless little affair. Gabrielle could now clearly see he was falling in love with her.
It's just beautiful. Oh, my God! Carlos, what have you done?
I saw it when I drove by the dealership. I thought Gabrielle would look so beautiful in this.
Carlos!
Cost me an arm and a leg. It's got GPS navigation, 200-watt stereo system, rear parking
it's
sensors.
beautiful.
So, did I take your breath away?
Absolutely.
Is it the best gift you've ever gotten?
Gabrielle could see what this gesture had cost Carlos, so she responded the only way she knew how. She had a feeling the truth would have been lost on her husband anyway. After all, It's the rare man who understands the value of a single perfect rose.
Mr. Solis isn't starting to catch on, is he?
No, he doesn't have a clue, God love him.
Mr. Solis isn't starting to catch on, is he?
No, he doesn't have a clue, God love him.
Cost me an arm and a leg. Cost me an arm and a leg.
She had a feeling the truth would have been lost on her husband anyway. She had a feeling the truth would have been lost on her husband anyway.